Welcome back to another video. We are here at Savers. We're also going to be hitting up Goodwill to do hopefully a thrift flip, right?
Yes, these are my favorite stores, and I love that we're doing this series because that's the only way I can get Jordan to bring me here without throwing fits. Although he already threw a fit because he worked all day.
This was Jasmine, guys, right here. When I tell her no, we can't go to the store, that's her just staring off into space. And there's me.
That's him right there. My mom has this in her house, and we always say
yes, joke's been made, joke's been made. But this is Jasmine right here. This is what the inside of her heart looks like
I don't even care.
when I tell her no. Anyways, if you guys are excited for another video, please hit the subscribe button. Join the family if you're new here because we're gonna find some awesome stuff. Look, that's gonna be us in just a little while. When we start finding nice things, we're gonna be hyped. So because we're here on Thursday, everything is 25% off for us.
Oh, I thought it was 50.
No, there's 3 tags that are 50. I think they're green, blue, and orange, I believe.
You know, all the tags that are always 50% off, there's only like 3 of them in the whole store. So we found this shelf and we're gonna be redoing the kids' restroom. Actually, we're in the process of redoing it. And so I think this shelf would look really good hanging on the wall.
And these are really expensive, and it's actual real wood. It's really heavy.
Paint it though, right?
Yeah, of course. $2.99, 25% off. Love is the most powerful of all we've been given. With that being said, I found this right here, and I like it. I don't know what I can transform it into. Jasmine's saying a shadow box, but it's like really, really big. But it's cool, look at that. And it has a little latch for $8, $6 I should say, because the discount.
That's kind of cute. It's broken though.
Hey babe, can you give me the D? Babe, give me the D.
Oh my God.
Here, I'll give it to you then.
Oh, that's cute.
Or how about the cock? It's on your head. Hey, look at this, babe.
Dream? Dream, 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 dream.
Isn't it pretty? Okay.
Me. Born baby.
Jasmine, I found something that's awesome.
Yeah.
Look at this. Isn't this so cool?
Yeah.
You think it'd be nice in our room?
Yeah, for sure.
Dude, let's see, how much is it? $6. But 2 of them, there's 2 of them here.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, there's 2. That is super cool. This is cool. Somebody made it. This is interesting.
This would be so cute.
I actually like this.
This would be so cute to redo for Ellie's baby. Huh.
Yeah, but it's...
Like a little...
Oh, it rocks too.
Yeah. 20 bucks.
Sit on it and see if it takes.
No.
This is kind of nice. It's $5.
For Josh.
Somebody must have like given up all their mugs because they have some really, really cool ones.
Somebody must have been, oh, can I buy this for myself? Because my kids hate me and they would never buy me this.
They're also 3 and 9 with no jobs.
Well, their dad hates me and doesn't let them buy me stuff like that.
Jasmine.
If you were a normal husband who wasn't so against coffee, how cute would it be for us to drink coffee?
Okay, first off, I'm not against it. I just
Together,
don't like it.
oh
Is there any other, can people please comment that they don't like coffee too?
No, like I always dreamed of a husband who would like sit on the porch with me in the mornings. We just drink our coffee and stuff, but like no, Jordan needs water.
Bro, a used squatty potty. How are my feet gonna fit on that? Honestly, Ellie has a little stool in the bathroom, and I tried to put my feet up there to see if I can go bathroom better now. Do you too?
I just lift my knees up.
Ew. Jasmine's been wanting some of these boots, but I keep telling her no.
Get out of here, you're so annoying.
But real quick guys, we found these right here. These are from At Home. Regularly $15, $4.99 plus a 25% off. I think we're gonna take them just because they're so cheap. I don't know what we're gonna use them for. This one also has a size 13 print on it. For all my music people out there, look at this. This is an old school metronome. How cool is this? Wow. I wonder if it works. Let's plug it in. Pull out this knob for sound, push in. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let's... Oh, it only works when it's up here.
I found barely anything for Zay. I did show Jordan one shirt for him, but Jordan didn't like it, so we put it back. But I'll look at the other stores. But anyways, I found this for Ellie. This is from Target. It is $1.99. And then I found this one. I don't know, the faces, I can't tell if the faces look faded or if it's supposed to be the shirt.
I don't know.
But it's nice, right?
Well, how much is it? And I'll tell you if it's nice.
$3.49.
Yeah, that's not nice.
Hey, you know what? It's a 2T. I'm gonna put it right here. I found this really cute shirt right here. Look, it's $1.99. It's like a little Mexican one. Kind of like a little Mexican one. And I think green is 50.
Yeah, it's $1.
Yeah. And then I got her some shorts. Also,
any short that's cut like that?
No, they're shorts. And they're 50% off.
How much are they?
They were $1.50.
So 75 cents.
Yeah. And then I found this for Father's Day. #1 fan of Dad.
It looks old.
I think it's the style.
No.
Or do you want me to leave it?
It's fine. It's only one day out of the
year. It says Dad. It's got a little stain I just noticed.
Can I get one for you that says #1 fan of Daddy? Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, $3.49. I found her these shorts, $3.99. They're not a half off. Should we leave them?
Oh, they're nice. I mean, she'll wear them.
Okay. And then I found dresses, you guys. This is from, I want to say this brand is an expensive brand. Not an expensive brand, but I can't remember if it's like from Target or something. But
Tahari?
I've seen this brand before somewhere. This is $6.49, but it's 50% off. Look how pretty that dress is.
What's half of $6.50, babe?
$3.50.
You went a little too confident. $3.25. Close enough.
So cute, right? This one is also super cute. This is from, I don't know. What do you think?
It'd look cute on her.
Yeah, so.
Is it half off?
Yeah. Blue, right?
$3.25.
I guess I just found white dresses. Look at this one. How cute. This one is from Crazy 8, that Gymboree store, whatever. $5.49. It's blue.
$2.50.
And then the last
or
one
$2.75.
is this one from, I think this is Walmart, but it's $3.49. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, I thought I dropped another one.
Yeah, it's fine.
Not bad, right? I think we did pretty good. Now, it's what sucks is I can never find anything for Zay.
Well, we just found Isaiah's shirt. I did for $1.
I found it, and it's like that band Mumford and Sons tour, whatever.
I like the colors.
Seen it, but it's cool. It's like a band shirt, you know?
Look at this.
I saw
$1.50.
Oh my god, you want to just yell it to the store?
Well,
I saw that, but I didn't know what it was.
is that his size?
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. I don't know what this is, but it's $1. Honestly, I found another one, and I'm convinced Jasmine didn't even look.
First of all, why do you take credit for things that have nothing to do with you?
I seen it first, you grabbed it first.
No, you're lying.
We're one. You're my eyes, I'm your hands. That's why sometimes I touch myself.
You're disgusting.
No, like...
No, I'm done. I'm done with your innuendos.
What is that? Remember that one time you thought innuendos was a type of macaroni?
So the first thing I wanted to do when I got home was upcycle these cactus candle holder things that we got. They were really cool, but they looked Western, and I wanted them to look more boho-ish.
That's a lot. You don't take it all off.
No, you're gonna have to take it all off. This was your idea.
This is hard. You want it all off?
You want it all off?
Well, if you take it all off, you could stain it.
Yeah, but that's a lot of work, dude.
Not if you take the mirror out.
Well, the mirror's coming out. I don't like the mirror now. I'm absolutely tired of sanding this down, so I'm done. What we're gonna do now is paint it. Jasmine suggested maybe we do like an olive color. The only problem is that I don't have any olive colored paints. I have a ton of paint, as you guys can see. However, I don't have olive. I have a couple different shades of green, but we're gonna make our own by using some blue, yellow, and red. Hopefully it comes out good. If not, you're gonna see our first fail at flipping a thrift item. So this is called the ladybug method. Oh my gosh, this actually looks just like Donald Duck's colors. That is funny. All right, now we gotta mix it. All right, so this is the part that I'm not sure is gonna work out or not, but I'm gonna use this as a stencil, and we're gonna be cutting out a piece of wood and staining it and using that as the new background for the picture, just to give it more depth and, I don't know, more character, because as it is right now, it's just kind of plain. And I think this will give it a lot more character. What is Stick this back here to see if it fits okay. Now we're gonna have to stain it.
I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm completely embarrassed by this one. This is what I would call a complete fail. It doesn't look right, colors don't go together. This shouldn't have been painted. It should have just been left and maybe stained a lighter color. I don't know what I was doing with the background. I actually think it looked better without the background now that I look back. So we're gonna pop this off and just redo it. So stay tuned. You can see that fixed and redone. I completely wasted my time. Look at that. I popped off the back real quick and you can already tell it looks better. I'm gonna redo this and it's gonna look really nice. This is a failed project. Not everything goes right here, but that's all a part of the fun, a part of the process, and you never know exactly how your vision's gonna look until it's done. So, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out our vlogging channel. Links in the description. We've been posting every single day there, and I actually did a really cool scroll saw project, and I surprised our friends with a very sentimental sign because they had just lost their dog. So check it out because that video is incredible, and the work I did on that one was definitely not a fail. It was actually my favorite one I've done yet. So check it out, and we will see you guys later. Have a good rest of your day.